Beauregard Parish Sheriff's Office is ordering a mandatory evacuation for areas east of Seth Cole Road north and south of Highway 190W through to Williams/Figure Myers Road, Mall Road, Willie Hargrove Road and Almy Street roads and communities due to the wildfire. This notice affects all residents and businesses in this area. We are strongly encouraging you to heed this evacuation order. If you need a place to shelter, there is one open and available at the First Baptist Church on the east side of the river.